Right guys, it's 1 AM and I have made it to New York. It's been a right pain. We've got here in the end. We were delayed a few hours from Sarasota to Atlanta, but luckily the flight from Atlanta to New York was also delayed, so we are here now. Very tired. I've got to be up here in 6 hours, 5 hours, something like that. So I'm gonna go get some sleep now, get ready for the show tomorrow. I am buzzing to be there. See you tomorrow. Good morning everyone. So I've left the hotel. I'm just going for a Starbucks because I've had about 4 hours sleep, so I need some caffeine in me. Someone was ringing me early this morning, like 3:30, so I'm just coming here to get a Starbucks. There it is guys, we have arrived. Contractor day. So guys, I have arrived here now. It's a lovely day. This place is amazing. It's massive. As you can see, I'm here ready to go. I'll just turn you around. The guys are set up on the other side, as you can see. So I'm just about to set up Resin Rock over there now.
Okay, what's up everybody? I'm Dan Ross. I work with Yukon Valley Natural Stone here at Cincinnati Landscape Supply in upstate New York. Just showing you here quickly what products I offer and what Yukon Valley offers. 2-inch thick caps, all different kinds of colors. These are our cathedral caps. What's cool about those is that they're rock faced on 2 long sides, so for your double-sided wall systems they work perfect. Some 4x8 tumbled pavers, some of these beautiful guillotines, Seneca boulders. These are flying off the shelf. People love those. And then these are our new tan boulders.
So guys, you have Unilock here, you have Teco Block, Provia, Ambridge, Alliance. All the guys are here looking good. You got Keystone, Empire, and then Resin Rock. So guys, that's a wrap for me in New York. Met some great contacts today. I'm just about to fly back to Atlanta, and I have to wait for an hour, and then I'm flying back to Sarasota.